choosing innovation in persistence. Finding happiness in innovation. Breaking through in happiness. Dedicated to be the world's highest qualified and most intelligent service provider of bag-making and printing solution, Ounuo is using craftsmanship manufacturing and intelligent development to write a more brilliant glory.
Ounuo 17年，从零到一，我们一直以客户价值为中心，不断创新，推动行业发展。我们期待更多的客户与我们一起见证行业强盛未来。
The global environment crisis is getting more and more severe, which makes sustainable development imperative. Ounuo is empowered for the future, catching the trend and actively creating new environment-friendly development. Since the future has come, we expect to work with you to achieve a win-win situation.
我们每一次的创新迭代都是基于为客户降本增效的理念，挖掘市场的潜在需求，成为新的商机，为客户提供更好、更快、更优质的定制化服务。相信欧诺，选择欧诺，让我们共同成长，一起共赢，行业因我们而改变。
Ounuo is committed to the pursuit of high-quality innovation concept, not only to provide customers with a key personalized solutions to promote the realization of whole supply chain industrial upgrading, cost reduction, and efficiency. At the same time, we follow the circular economy to reduce waste and energy consumption. We develop intelligent and digital technology to empower with intelligence. Sense together and detect the whole process to create the ideal value for you with low investment and high return. With 17 years of effort, we have successfully pioneered the non-woven stereoscopic machine with 17 years of concentration, which has been working out smoothly in 165 countries and regions around the world. With the spirit of craftsmanship, Ounuo is sticking to innovation, stepping on the waves and following our dreams. Each of us creations and achievements are well known in the industry. Driven by independent innovation, Ounuo always takes creating value for customers as its development concept and source power. Ounuo has been making dreams come true, bravely exploring the desert that no one has ever reclaimed before, and eliminating the traditional thinking stereotypes. We have independently developed 202 patents from scratch, including 80 invention patents, and have more than 40 scientific research and experimental teams using more than 20 years of professional experience to lead the creation and innovation of the industry, continuously empowering and rejuvenating. We have realized our manned factory and built overseas parts warehouse. We invested 200 million yuan in the world's high-precision processing equipment and over 300 million RMB in digital factory, so as to show Ounuo's determination of being rooted in the industry to the world. Ounuo provides the whole industry chain solution for bag making and packaging printing. Our items are non-woven bag making machine series, paper bag making machine series, paper molding machine series, quad seal and flat bottom flat machine series, screen printing machine series, flexographic printing machine series, rotogravure printing machine series, digital printing machine series, raw material series. We benchmark with the world's 100-year giants of flexible packaging equipment based on international vision. We match customized services with powerful data assets to ensure that each customer enjoys a full lifecycle service experience, such as global door-to-door assistance and bilingual optional online support. This is awakening of Ounuo to the dream and its consistency. We are looking forward to earning your choice. Ounuo sets the benchmarks of leading the industry development, independently innovating to take up the social responsibility, and breaking the tradition and dialogue with the future. Ounuo makes achievements for employees, customers, and enterprises. We uphold the sustainable strategic view. Team is talent-based, and talents are quality-based. We absorb outstanding talent from multiple channels and train each family member of Ounuo in elite way to pass on, help, and lead, so as to grow and develop together and achieve together. There have been numerous confusion and hardships in the development of Ounuo, but we have never given up. We will continue to challenge the cross-era innovation with its original intention and create a new journey together. Ounuo, with honor and wisdom, is implementing the corporate vision of being the top service provider of bag-making and printing solution in the world. With high vision, value-adding and beyond, we are leading the new development momentum of the machinery industry with professionalism and intelligence.